Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is Anjan. So here what to the idea. So you can just imagine basically how the things are connected. So it's not basically so easy the government job basically. It's very tough basically. To get the collector post basically, you have to do lots of hard work. Basically. Then only basically you get the collector post, and you are the basically respected basically you can say member basically of the city basically. Why respected? Because you are doing up to that level task. You are adding basically 100 building basically is already added in the Mumbai city. You are signing one more few more buildings basically. So you are basically adding. So you have to clear basically each and everything basically. What modification has done, what changes basically has done in that oil creation of the building, the natural item basically which is going to process. That is going to process basically to which all countries basically. So you have to connect with these all countries also. So collectors basically are connected with many countries basically. So it's not like that basically collectors are basically just doing job within the premises basically. So they are basically connected with many countries basically. So you can just imagine and nowadays basically it's a digital world basically. But one person told that physically also the collectors basically visits the country basically. So they have to visit basically. Otherwise basically how they will check this everything basically. So one person told that the admin department of the collector basically they might have done this long before basically. So the admin team basically of the collector basically they might have done this long before basically. So one person told that authorized group basically are created. They are basically part of the governments. So next it is.